welcome back to my channel. My channel is Aceh Toronto Social. Right, today we will have to visit Sabang Island, 4 kilometers. Imagine that this is the most beautiful island around the world from Indonesia. 34 province in Indonesia, we call back Aceh. We'll start something, go somewhere like Sabang country, Morocco. That is very tall, unique, very tall and beautiful, but normal, very tall, not huge. Alright, I myself asked this guy, I would like to invite you from United States or United Kingdom, Australia, and then Europe, Africa, and then Middle East, Asia, to come visit Aceh because Aceh is very tall in something. Just like nothing, because this is very tall also. When you get here, you won't go home early, you won't go home as soon as you're very fast, you go home because you pumped up. No, you have to enjoy this. This is very tall also. Alright, one more time, don't forget to visit Aceh because Aceh is very totally beautiful province. Alright, let's clear it up. That's all for now.